Good evening, Southern Maryland, and I'm aspiring meteorologist John Bordash with you right now to give you an updated look at that forecast. And today's high did get right up around 50 degrees, but we did see some rain come through the area. We saw right around a third of an inch of rain. We didn't see anything too heavy, but we did see a little bit in the way of some moderate rains, as Southern Maryland was the last area just to stick around with some of those showers as we headed on into the evening. First alert radar right now, we're starting to clear out, and we're still mild across the region. Temperatures are still sitting in the 40s, and I don't think we drop below freezing tonight. But I am tracking this little pressure on up here towards Michigan. That's called an Alberta Clipper, and usually when those go towards our south, that brings the best chance for us to see snow. This time, though, it looks like it's going to be a little bit too far north, and this cold front dripping down from it is what would maybe kick off a few snow showers as we head on over into the night tomorrow night. Behind that would be get chilly, but it's not going to be any sustained cold. I don't think that comes until the middle of next week. What we'll do right now is I'll take you on over towards our computer model. This is the North America model, and right now I think this does the best job of showing what is going to be happening as we head on through the hours for tomorrow night. So this is it stopped right now again. We're not really looking at anything across the region. As we move forward, we may look at a few rain showers develop tonight, but that's most likely picking up on some fog. I think we will be looking at some dense fog for tomorrow night. I don't think we'll have any travel issues for tomorrow morning. But then you see, as we head on over into the afternoon hours, we start to look at some rain shown by the green, and maybe even some snow back towards the mountains. And again, this would be in the afternoon, as you look at that cold front come on through the region. Now, as we continue to step this on forward, it shows the best chances of snow really to the south and west of I-95. Now, I think we also have a chance of snow, but we won't be seeing any major accumulations, and this definitely will not be a big storm by any means. And then it moves out, and again, we may not see anything, or we may see at most an inch to 2 inches. Right now, I'm thinking maybe less than an inch, maybe a coating, but it won't be anything all that major, and definitely nothing accumulating on the roads, as we've been above average for the past couple of days. So that's what future weather does with it, and I'll show you what Alex and I are thinking as we head on over through the day tomorrow. Again, we start off in the 40s. Again, temperatures do not go below freezing tonight. 41 degrees for your temperature right around 10 o'clock. We pick up some clouds as we head through the day with that cold front coming closer towards the region, and then we introduce the chance of rain or snow as we head on through the evening hours. The issue with this system is, one, it doesn't have a lot of moisture, and two, we won't be super cold. I don't think temperatures go below freezing tomorrow night, so it's really going to have to battle those two things to produce any kind of snow. Because of that, we may just be looking at rain from this event. Nevertheless, this is the outlook that Alex and I have been working on. It looks like right around less than 1 inch for any area shaded in the light blue. Now, I'm thinking we may have to scale this back to cut portions of Southern Maryland out of it. Again, this looks to be more like a storm for areas to the south and west of I-95. But again, we're going to fine-tune that forecast tomorrow, and that best chance to see any accumulation right around 1 to 2 inches back towards Harrisonburg and southwestern Virginia. The storm impacts, we may look at some travel issues, but again, it won't be anything all that major. And I don't think schools will be closed. You may see a school delay, but that chance is probably sitting right around a 35% chance. Again, I don't expect major impacts to your Thursday morning commute or routine, and that snow potential is not all that high either. The 7-day forecast, though, does show that chance of rain and snow Wednesday night. Again, temperatures do not get all that low, and then as we start to head through the 7-day forecast, we have another chance of rain or snow Friday night going over into Saturday. That looks like a little bit of a bigger system, but still, nothing more than a couple of inches of snow. It's too early to pinpoint exact totals, but again, this does not look to be a big system. We clear up for the beginning of next week, but it looks like we're going to look at a major pattern change, and I had alluded to this in my winter forecast. It looks like we're going to be looking at more Arctic cold air coming into the region, so we're going to be looking at the cold, and it looks like we'll be looking at a stormier pattern setting up, meaning that we may be looking at a higher potential for snow as we head through the later part of this month, going to the first half of February. But we're going to continue to watch that, as well as what's going to be happening tomorrow night. I'm aspiring meteorologist John Bordash, right here from JB Weather. Have a nice and safe one, Southern Maryland, and we'll continue to keep your forecast updated.